Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to use calci for statistic operation. And in the last lecture we have already discussed how to use calci for matrices. Now we are going to discuss for statistic. The same way we use the calci here, we have to first click on mode button to set our calci in statistical mode. Here corresponding to statistic there is 3, so we click on 3 button. Now here asking the equation, we know that this all the equation are y is equals to, it means here y is equals to a plus bx, y is equals to log of x. These are the equations. We have to take which equation you want. Suppose we want to fit equation of straight line, that is y equals to a plus bx, so we click on 2. Now this asking for data, the corresponding values of x and y. We are putting randomly. You have to also observe the values. Here I am taking the value 1, and again for next value we are press equals to here 2 equals to 5 is equals to 8 equals to 9. Here I have taken 5 values. Now I want to put the values of y, so I am clicking on here downward arrow, then left, so it will be now put the values of y. Here I am putting the values y, here 7 now equals to 4 is equals to here 3 equals to 2 equals to 1. देखिए इसमें y और x की 5 वैल्यूज मैंने इंसर्ट कर दी. नाउ we have to check. Here I am clicking on button, the values in the calci remain stored. Now we have to check the different option for statistic. For that we are press on shift and recall the values for by using the option 1, because here in corresponding to 1 there is a written statistic, so we have put shift and 1. Now here we have to check our original data. For that we are put 2, that is corresponding to data, we get our original data. Now we are see the different operation on statistic. Here sum, if we press sum we get the sum of x y. Similarly summation of x y, summation of x square y, which is required to solve our equation. Simultaneous equation, if we are solving, we have to convert the equation of line into normal form. That time we required summation of x, summation of y, summation of xy. This all the value we get directly in the calci. Suppose we press here 2, then what will happen? Here 2, it gives the summation of x. Here summation of x is, sorry, here our values of summation of x, that is 2 equals to, here the value of summation of x is 25. Similarly if we are press shift 1, again I am going to summation, that is 3. If we put summation of y, that is summation of y, corresponding number is 4, we get 17, means summation of y will be 17. You can check it is correct or not. If we are recall our data, that is option number 2, and here y is 7 plus 4, that is 11 plus 3, 11 here plus 3, that is 14, and plus 2 16 plus 1 17, and we get the value in calci is again summation of y is 17. Now we are check the again some another operation. Here variance corresponding number is 4. In variance we get the value of x bar. X bar means mean of x. Here similarly we get y bar, that is mean of y. Sigma x, that is standard deviation of x. Then we are using n is denoted the number of variable. Here we have taken the values of x are 5 values of x, so our data contain 5 values of x and y. If we press 1, then we get total number of data, that is here n equals to 5. It means we have taken 5 values of x. Now if we want find the fitting of curve, that time we required the values of constant, that is a and b. For that we have used this regression. In regression corresponding number is 5, and in regression we get the values of our constant, that is a and b. If we press 1 here, 1, we get value of a, that is 6.5. means in equation we require y equals to a plus bx, so the value of a is 6.4. Similarly here shift 1, regression is 5. Similarly we can find the value of b, and here small r corresponding number is 3. Small r denote the correlation between x and y. If we press here 3, we get minus 9.2. What is the meaning of minus? It denotes x and y are negatively related, means x is increases then y is decreases, that is negative correlation between x and y. Here if we observe our original data, for data we press 2. Here I am taking the value of x in increasing order and y decreasing order. It means when x is increases, y is decreases, that represent there is a negative correlation. That's why we get small r is negative. So we can find easily correlation between x and y by using calci, and these are the main operation on statistic. You try this all the operation by using calci, you get how to use easily. Thank you.